Good morning. It's a Saturday. It's about 8:15 in the morning, which is a little earlier than I wake up, but what the heck, it's time for a hike. We're driving right now to the Marin Headlands, which is going to take us through San Francisco and across the beautiful Golden Gate, heading for this hike in the Coastal Trail, which is 8.5 miles, and it connects both the Coastal Trail and the Miyok Trail. I'm looking forward to getting some beautiful pictures and some amazing exercise.
But I'm too little.
It's okay. Okay, we're about, what, half a mile in, just getting started?
Yeah.
It's cold, it's windy, but we're out here and having a good walk so far, so...
Let's hope we'll not get lost, as we usually do.
Okay, how long are we going for? 8.5?
8.5.
Okay, 8.5, so we got about half of one.
Yeah.
So far, so
yeah.
a lot to go. We're still smiling. Maybe in a few hours we won't be smiling as much. But it's gonna be fun. Cheers. Okay, I'm breathing hard because I'm a little bit tired. We just did about a half a mile up the hill. We're about to go across to the Coastal Trail. But look at these views we see. It's amazing. What do you think?
I think I really like it. I don't know what to say.